You're just, what's the word, amusing? Rain.
Admiring.
Admiring. Rain. Rain, go away. Basically, these are the windows we go. And the raindrops and rain. Yeah, don't know if you can see. But why not make this video? Because I'm just about to make Instagram Live. Saying that, it's gonna track me now. Damn, what do I need? They can't hear. Now they can hear. Oh fuck, he's not tracking me anymore. Yeah, I have all I need, yeah. That's pretty cool. So, why I made this video? Because I'm setting up for Instagram Live. Actually, I do need it. I have my iPad in that bag. So, the reason being is, when you do activity, so I would assume that a lot of you have not read books, but for those who have read the books, there's a book called Atomic Habits. Saying that I've never read the book myself. I just do what the book says. Because I've listened, basically what I do, I listen loads of podcasts, like tons of those. And what they speak in podcasts is stacking habits on top of each other. Which means whenever you do activity, you also try to multiply that by thousands. So one activity times 1,000. So what that means is if I need to make a stencil like I do now, I need to physically make stencil. Maybe I need to get the camera closer. Or maybe position that. Is that cooler? I don't know. But anyways, basically you need to do activity. And the activities I need to make stencil. So option one is I make stencil by myself in this bedroom and nobody knows. Nobody sees. No one gives a shit. Option number two is I make stencil with thousands of people at the same time. And if you watch this video, most likely, maybe you have seen some of my live videos as well. So this is what I do, because I need to physically make a stencil that I'm gonna do on the fake skin, yeah. So I need to make stencil, and I could make the stencil by myself and listen into music, as people say. I need to listen to music. It makes me feel happy and makes you feel that you don't have any clients either. Or you film you yourself making a stencil, talking to people, which becomes your potential clients, and then you win. So basically, you do activity that multiplies by 1,000, you have an outcome. Or you can do an activity multiplies by 1, which is just you, and outcome is, I don't even know what's the outcome, a stencil made. So I would always encourage you, all of you, to do activity that multiplies by 1,000, yeah? So, and this is also a sentence from Elon Musk, and he says, an order. What does this iPad do? Or somebody bought Aftermath. Beautiful. Let's see where this order goes. Can we see where it goes? It also goes to United States. So this is also gonna go to US. Cool. But basically what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna have, so all you need is a tripod like this. And let me get closer. Thank you. Actually, I need a charger as well. I need the what's in my bag, the black one, the long black one. The long and black one. And essentially what you need is this kind of tripod. It's a small one. I have a big ones and long ones which do all sorts of gadget stuff. But what you really need is this small one. And if you wonder where you can buy that, it's called Slick. See that? Slick Mini. It's probably like the best thing I ever had, because you can do this, and then you can do this, and you can literally put on a shelf. Like, it becomes a furniture. It takes as much as like $5. So nice. But then if you need higher, obviously you can open this, make it longer. So what this does is, I'm gonna have a setup here. Maybe I can make it lower. Can I make it lower? I don't know. Basically there. And then the iPad's gonna sit like this. And then I will put my phone in there. So if you ever see lives, this is what you see. Thanks so much. Lifesaver. And then I take my iPad, goes here. Obviously a charger, because I'm planning to be here for, probably it'll take me like an hour or so to do. Which means I'll be here for a while. And I basically an iPad and iPhone, they both have the same chargers I have. So whoever's gonna die, I can just plug in one and another one. So the story about this video is, you need to do, always think in terms of multiples, like a lot. So let's see if I can find extension. I probably need to walk around to get extension. And yes, it does take preparation. And yes, it does take time. Ideally, you build a space in a house, or I don't know where you live. but you need a space where you have least friction. We just kind of set this up. I had the small table, the black one there. Now we have this big one, and this extension probably gonna stay here. But you need to buy stuff what literally gives you the least friction. Like tripod, boom, small, in. That plugs in there. And I can literally swipe up, put code in, open Instagram, and I'm live. Obviously, that charger needs to go inside my there. And then I open Procreate, I go into my folder, and then I'm gonna draw. And that's it. And then what also happens is, one is you go live, second is the video gets saved. So it becomes a video for the videos. And what else I'm gonna need to say? Even now when I make a video to you guys, like it's limitless how many people can watch this and how many people will watch this. So people who will want to succeed in life, they will watch this, and people who don't want to succeed, they will just wonder what to do. And I always have like skins next to me that I've done. Sometimes I have like mid-conversation, I'm like, oh, by the way, and I can just pull out and do it. They're all washed, they're all clean, they don't make any grease, so therefore it doesn't stain the table. But even then, you need a table that you just know you can grease up. So that's pretty much it. It's the same setup I use to film school videos. Literally take that off and I put this on, and then now the tripod becomes, and it films school videos with this Canon. And it's also literally right here. And sometimes we need to get close-ups. I got this lens, click on and off, and I can get really close really quick. And again, it's in a reach. I don't have to go anywhere. I don't need to find anything. It's always there. And if I need to swap batteries, the batteries are there. So I know it sounds like obvious, but so many people, one, don't buy stuff what actually helps them. And second is, don't place it reachable. So that's why I kind of upgraded the table where, I don't know if you can see, maybe I can make it lower. Really? Basically, it'll be there, it goes there, and it's like a U shape and goes there. So I can be everywhere, and there's always somewhere to put my hands on, because I have all I need. I have the iPad, the tripod's there, the skins there, the coffee's there, and then the camera and some gear and stuff, and more skins. So you need a lot of stuff sometimes, so make sure you got space for yourself. And at the beginning, space for yourself seems alien, because why would you have a space for yourself? You know what I mean? So I'm going live now. That's all I wanted to say, really. I don't know if I see 11 minutes. I guess that's how much it took us to set up. Probably without me talking, it'll be a couple of minutes. But the long story short is, try to do activity that multiplies by 1,000. So when you're making YouTube videos, thousands of people can see. If you're making a stencil, make sure you make a live, 1,000 people see. If you are just drawing stencil for your client, make a live and talk to people. If you are in a live and you realize, you know what, there's only like 5 people, maybe 2 people, maybe go on TikTok, go on YouTube, go on Facebook, go different places, and then you don't have to feel guilty to cut the live half and go elsewhere. Just go elsewhere, fuck it, like, you know what I mean? Like, you don't know where the people are, you need to find the people. You can't just sit in an audience and expect all the people need to come to me because I want them to come to me. It won't happen that way. You have to go and hunt the people. So now if I'm going on Insta Live and if I realize, you know what, no one's even there, it is Friday, everybody might be drinking, everybody might be partying, everybody might be, I don't know, like, we'll see. And then I'll go live, and then whoever is going to be there will be there, and if they're not there, then well, cool, then I'll go elsewhere. Yeah, so I can make, this very moment I'm on Instagram Live. I can also go on YouTube Live. I can also go on TikTok Live. It all depends where the people are. But try to do your activities times 1,000, okay? Times 1,000 is what you need to do. Design times 1,000, videos times 1,000, whatever you do, just think how you can make times 1,000, yeah? So if you finish your clients tattoo, film videos about your clients tattoo so 1,000 people can see, take a photo so 1,000 people can see. You can make live video as you tattoo so thousands of people can see. When you design, when you do sketching, when you do walking, when you just, like, whatever you do, thousands of people are gonna see, and that's the aim, yeah? So, long story short, that's what I'm doing now, and if you're gonna watch this live, cool. There's a big chance you might watch this video and you've seen the live at the same time. I never know. So, I'll see you there.